everybody. This is Sean McCabe back from USA. A trip out there, an absolutely amazing trip. So briefly again, Sean, just tell everybody what the trip was about and what happened.
Yeah, so the trip, basically back in 2013, I was diagnosed with cancer, and then I relapsed in the end of 2013. The only way to save my life when I did go into remission with a bone marrow transplant. So I needed a bone marrow transplant to save my life, and one come up in America. So yeah, I'm lucky enough to, I've had a journey to fly over to America.
Fantastic.
And meet the guy who saved my life and thank him for it.
I just seen the pictures. You look like you got on so well.
Yeah, it was amazing.
Was it an instant bond?
Oh, straight away. It's like, I felt like I'd known him for like
really?
forever. Yeah, it was amazing. So yeah, it was a mad journey, but now I've done it, it just feels so nice. Like,
yeah,
it was nice to thank the person who saved my life.
Unbelievable. Yeah, like I say, I saw the pictures and you look like pals. I think he was sitting on your lap in one of them.
Yeah, he was. Yeah, he was. Yeah, it was amazing.
Did you have a beer with him as well?
Yeah, that's the first thing we done.
That was it.
Yeah,
oh, proper Welsh boy now, isn't it? Come on, let's have a beer.
We both had a beer, and yeah, to be honest, I didn't want to come home.
Oh,
it was so nice over there, like, and he was so welcoming.
Yeah. The
kids and Lisa, my wife, it was just, they loved it. We all loved it. It was amazing. It was.
Yeah, tell me quickly. I mean, look, this is, I feel awful having to ask this now for something so important with what you've gone through. I feel shocking, but I'm going to have to keep it on. When you were over there, the makeup artists and everybody could not believe your hair, could they?
Yeah, so when I went over there, the people filming, they just said like my hair was looking amazing. You know, I had more in than most of me. So
yeah. They were surprised when you told them it was a hair replacement, weren't they?
Yeah, nobody knew. Unless I told them, nobody knew, and it's like that now.
Yeah.
It looks so natural, and I wore an hat for so long, it felt, I knew when I took my hat off.
Yeah.
But with the hair on, I don't know what's on, I don't know what's off, it just feels natural. Yeah, it just feels part of me. It feels like my own hair.
Brilliant, that's the whole purpose of it.
Yeah.
So
and it's nice, like, because you don't realise, like, maybe some people, like, know if they're not honest, but from my point of view, for me, when you take your hair off, it takes your confidence away.
Yeah.
So when you got your hair on, it's basically like, it's like wearing a hat, but it's not, it's like natural.
Yeah,
it's
good.
hard to explain, like.
Yeah, well, that's perfect to explain it, because I see so many people that come in with hats, Sean, it's unbelievable, or with topics on. It's just, it's almost like a daily thing for me to see someone come in with a hat on.
Well, when I got married, I did have a bit more hair than what I have now, but I had topic to put on there.
Yeah.
Obviously, if I knew hair for all then, I would be on your case by then. But when I renew my vows now, which will be sometime soon, it'll be more nicer, because I look forward to having photos. And I'm thinking, oh, I don't want to have photos for my hair.
Yeah, that's such a difficult. Guy yesterday said that to me. He's forever wearing hats and shying away from pictures, photographs with family, all sorts. Yeah. So quickly to end on, when do you, because this is December now, we're filming this, everybody. How many days before Christmas? You better help me, because I'm full of a cold.
So I think there's about 14 days now before Christmas, or if that actually, probably 12 days till Christmas.
Yeah. This is one video I'm not going in.
Yeah.
I don't look too good.
So yeah, so it's 12 days till Christmas. So we back up to London now in the end of February to film the next part of the...
And that guy's flying over to be in it, isn't he? Your donor.
From America, yeah. So
absolutely amazing.
So when it's all been put together, I'm sure you'll share it with him.
Yeah. Definitely. I'll tell everybody. Anyway, come and shake my hand. I'm not going on screen. Thank you, mate. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. And have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.